Okay. All right, let's start. Okay, if you have your answers with you, please mark yourself and do corrections. Okay. Who can tell me what is this testing you of? What topic are they testing you for? You have multiply, minus, division. What do you call this? Anyone knows about this called OOO? What is OOO? Not 0, 0, 0. Okay, probably I write there OOO. Bigger O, O, O. Who can tell me? Anyone? BODMAS, yeah. BODMAS is one of them. OOO means order of operation. Which one comes first? Okay, the 4 operations. Very good. Okay, so bracket must do first, followed by multiplication and division, whichever. Okay, and then addition and subtraction. So bracket first, which is the bracket that you need to do, is 300 minus 292. So what is 300 minus 292 will be 8. Okay, and the rest of them will remain the same. 2 multiplied by 8 divided by 4. Now, you have 2 operations of multiply and division. So you go from left to right. Okay. So this one will be 8. Okay. Next question. Observe the pattern. Okay, let's check what can we do for the pattern here. You see, you have 30.2, 30.2, you have 2, but then you have how many of them? How many places? 1, 2, right? 15.1. So this one must be divided by 2, and then you must something got to do with 100. Okay, so what is your answer for this? 200. This one you use shortcut. How many of them use the shortcut? Put your response here. Let me this is called the shortcut method. Don't go and work out everything. Okay. Similar to what you are doing here. Okay, so the answer is B. Good, Casey. Thank you. Anyone else? Oh, so what do? You all went to go and divide? Cannot. Oh, okay. Now more responded. Okay. Good. Okay. Question 3. Let's take a look at question 3. Let's see. Find the sum of 6 hundreds here. They have 20 tens here. Okay, so this one I can actually do something here. I change it to 20 out of 10. Then I change this 6 out of 100. So I change this to 100 multiplying by 10. And then this is remaining at 6. So if I were to add this together, I will get 206 over 100, which will technically ended up with 2.06 here. Okay, so your answer will be B. Okay. .06 question. Oh, did I skip anything? Oh, so sorry. There is one missing. I missed out this one. Okay. I will reverse it to the question before that. So sorry. Okay, can you answer me this question? Wait. Oh, what happened here? Just to check or whether when you printed out the size, do you prefer bigger? Okay, the reason I'm asking, can I check whether is the font size too small for you all to see when you printed out the worksheet? Who printed out the worksheet and find it too small? Can you put your name here and say too small, just nice, or what? Too small, right? Corinne say too small. Okay, I find it small also. Okay, who think it is too small? Kusha also say it's too small. You all can feedback, okay? Too small size. Who else say it's too small size? Casey say it's okay, All right. Corinne, do you think? Oh, Corinne say yeah, too small size, Kusha. Nabiha, do you think too small size, Nabiha? It's okay for your size, is it? Okay, Irene, what do you think about the font size? Is the size too small? Okay, so for only few of them. All right, Ken, no problem. Let's go on. Okay, I missed out question 3. I'm going back to question 3. Here, this is the one. Okay, now which of the following is equivalent to 8:5? Okay, so you see, you divide by 4, divide by how many? Divide by 4 is 4. Divide by 4 is 5. So this one is out. So this one will be, let's take a look, 1:1. That's not true. Then this one is divide by 5 is 8. Divide by 5 is 5. Okay, looks correct. Let's take a look at this one. Divide by, oh, this one cannot, right? Because this is the lowest term. So C is the answer to it. Okay. Okay, so C is the answer. Next question now goes to number 5. Okay, what did the question say about? Let's try. You have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are drawn on the square grid. Which one has the same area of triangle ABC? So where is ABC is here. Okay, and which one has the same area? Which triangle here? So let's count here. This one will be 1, 2, 3 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here will be 5 units, right? So this is 3 by 5. All right. Okay, let's take a look at this one. This one will be 1, 2. Let's try other color to get it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So this is 5 by 2. And if you were to work it out, it's half by 5 by 2. Okay, this one is half by 5 by 3. That's what we want to compare. Okay, I want to take a look at this one. 1, 2. So I have 2 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. So this is half times 2 times 6. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 unit. So this is half 5 by 3. Okay. All right. Then next one, I want to do this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is half 3 by 3. Now, if you take a look, I ignore the half. I'm going to do a quick verification here. Now, can I say this is 5 by 3? It's 15. So this is 6 by 2, 12. 3 by 3, 9. You have, oh, which one give you 15? Check. Let's do it. Who can see? Tell me which one did you see now? Which one did you see? Here, right? Okay. I repeat. You can see from here. And what is your answer? K, L, M. So this is the one. Okay. So answer C. Okay. Can I go to question 6? Wow, question 6 is a fraction. This one is a revision of those previous topics. Let's do this. 1/3 of a stick is painted green. So this is 1/3. And now he's talking about the remaining stick. And 1/8 of the remaining stick is considered painted pink. So he wanted 1/8 of the remaining. Now, what is the keyword here is of remaining. This is called fraction of a set. Okay, for this fraction of the set, which one is the set? Then I highlight this in for you to see what is the remaining. The remaining now refers to the set. Right on. Okay, so where is the remaining now? Okay, you must find out what is the remaining. Let's find out. Who can tell me what is the remaining over the check function? How to find the remaining stick? Oh, nobody write in the chat function. What happened? Where's the remaining? I'm waiting for some people to write, but there isn't any. Very disappointed leh. Okay. Thank you, Kushel. Okay, so when I say I want the answer over the chat function, try to key in there. Don't be shy. Okay, let me tell you, the chat function only I can read your message. Whether it's correct or wrong, only I know. Okay, so don't be shy to make mistake whether it's wrong or correct. Try. Okay, key in the function. Okay, let's take a look. I continue from here. So I have 1/8 multiplied by 2/3, which I can reduce it to the simplest form. How? 1/4. Okay, so what I can get is 1 out of 12. Option A.